Most people think starting a haulage company is simple. Buy a truck, get a few jobs, and you're in business. Sounds good, right? But here's the reality. A lot of haulage businesses in the UK don't fail overnight. They fail slowly, small problems, stacking up, until the business just can't hold itself anymore. And most people don't even see it coming. So let me break this down properly. Because if you understand this early, you avoid a lot of expensive mistakes. First thing, most people don't understand their numbers. And this is where it starts. They focus on getting on the road quickly, getting work, staying busy. But they don't actually sit down and work out. What does it cost me to run this truck properly? Not just fuel, everything. So what happens? They take jobs that look decent, money coming in, truck moving. But in reality, they're either breaking even, or slowly losing money. And that's a dangerous place to be. Because it doesn't show straight away. Now here's the second issue. Cash flow. This one catches a lot of people out. Because on paper, you might be doing well. Work coming in, invoices going out. But here's the problem. You're not always getting paid straight away. 30 days, 60 days, sometimes even longer. But your costs, they don't wait. Fuel, insurance, maintenance. That's all going out now. So if you don't plan for that gap, you can run out of cash, even when the business looks busy. Next, relying on one source of work. This is more common than people think. You get one good contract, or one platform bringing in work. And it feels stable. But here's where it gets risky. If that work slows down, or disappears, you've got nothing backing it up. No pipeline, no alternatives. And now you're under pressure. Another big one, and this is serious. It's compliance. Running a haulage company isn't just about trucks. You're responsible for everything behind the scenes. Maintenance records, driver hours, vehicle checks, all of it. And if this slips, it's not just a small problem. You could face penalties, or even lose your operator's license. And once that happens, the business stops. Now here's one people don't talk about enough. Trying to grow too fast. It's tempting. You get a bit of momentum, you think, let me add another truck. Then another. But if the first one isn't running efficiently, all you're doing is multiplying your problems. More costs, more pressure, less control. And this brings us to the bigger picture. This is a low-margin industry. That's just the reality. There's not a lot of room for mistakes. Small inefficiencies, small miscalculations. They add up fast. And over time, they're what separate a stable business from one that struggles. So here's the takeaway. Most haulage businesses don't fail because the industry doesn't work. They fail because they go in without a clear plan. If you understand your numbers, manage your cash flow, stay compliant, and build your work properly, you give yourself a real chance of making this work. And if you want the full breakdown, step by step, from planning, to costs, to actually building a proper haulage business in the UK. I've put all of that inside UK Trucking Business Mastery for Entrepreneurs. You'll find the link in the description.